Hey, it's Lisa, and I'm always cooking. And today I am going to be making chicken stock with kitchen scraps. I will be using the leftover vegetable trimmings and chicken parts that I have been storing in my freezer. All things I would have normally thrown away, but instead I'm reducing food waste and gaining an ingredient that I won't have to buy. So let's make chicken stock from kitchen scraps. I'm using my Instant Pot today, but you can easily make this on the stovetop. I have 2 backbones, 1 package of gizzards, not all chickens come with gizzards, a breastbone, and a couple of wing tips. All of these pieces came from raw whole chickens I either spatchcocked or cut up for fried chicken. I saved the onion skins, tops and bottoms of both yellow and red onions. I saved the ends and peelings of carrots and celery, and I even have a few shiitake mushroom stems in here. I don't feel like I have enough carrots, so I grabbed 2 more from the refrigerator and chopped them into smaller pieces, leaving the ends and skin on. I have the inner remains of a garlic bulb, about 4 to 6 cloves worth, smashed up with papery skins. I have some awfully sad parsley dying to go into the pot, along with 2 bay leaves, peppercorns, salt, and 6 to 8 cups of water. Everything goes into the pot, including a handful of peppercorns. Salting at this point is optional because I'm going to be using my stock right away. I'm adding about 2 teaspoons of salt. On the stovetop, simmer for 4 to 5 hours. In the Instant Pot, manual pressure cook button, and 2 hours. When the cooking time is up, let the pressure naturally release for about 1 hour. It's easier for me to pick out the larger pieces before straining the stock through a cheesecloth-lined colander. Julia Child noted that stock can be kept indefinitely in the refrigerator as long as it's brought to a boil once a week. So there we have it, a delicious chicken broth made with scraps. Everything I would have normally thrown away, but now I have a delicious broth to make my algo de mano soup for dinner tonight. Thanks for watching.